Our next character is Applejack. Start with a square and then draw two little eyes as far apart as possible, near the bottom of the head. Now a button nose. I'm going to try something different here. I'm going to put her mouth right at the bottom of her head, but it looks pretty cool. Now a long neck and some shoulders. Give her some eyelashes and some asymmetrical eyebrows. Now for the hair, let's start by drawing a Y and then draw some diagonal lines going down on each side and then some long curves going down and meeting behind her back. And she's a cowgirl, so she needs a hat. A little floaty hat. Let's go down south and give her a collar and a waistcoat. And some stringy, tassely cowboy things. I know what it's called. I think they're called fringes. There you go. If you're not learning anything, if you're not learning drawing here, at least you learn about fashion. Okay, let's put some form into her hair now. I start here just by drawing a few little triangles at the top and then a jagged line that is copying the shape of her outline going to the bottom, and then continue this pattern going towards her neck. And to make things a little less symmetrical, let's put a ponytail off to the side. Now give us some little circles for freckles and shade in those lips. And then the hat. And then the hair. Just with the usual standard straight lines. Leaving every second stripe white. And if you're cool like me and you watch My Little Pony with your family, you will know that she looks a little bit like Applejack. I make this up as I go, alright? I draw the characters and then I name them later. Now let's move on to her shirt and make her look a little bit country with some plaid. Now at this point I'm still not happy with the mix of black and white. There's too much white, so let's just color in her vest completely in black. And the button as well. And then it just looks a whole lot better. Okay, we're nearly done. Let's put in the background. And just add a few little finishing touches to the hair. And we have just drawn Applejack. I'll see you in the next video.